Alright, y'all, we finally back with a beautiful 1977 Pontiac Bonneville. She has one of my favorite engines, the Pontiac 400 cubic inch 6.6 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid, paint is in good condition, interior is nice and clean. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. I think the wheels complement the paint well. 20 inches, you still get the nice drivability and ride quality. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Let's check out the top. Driver side frame and floor pan. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Fender skirts. Interior's nice and clean. She has some minor discoloration in some areas, but she's in good shape. Headliner. Mileage reached a little over 61,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. And there she is, the 400 cubic inch 6.6 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering. Let's start her up. Y'all go check out rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. She's running beautiful. Gotta love the way a Pontiac engine sound. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.